Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the online VSCode environment. Use GitHub or Microsoft for seamless repo access. Once signed in, make sure your account has permissions for the project and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, open the browser-based VSCode or the web link from your service. This first step gives you an editor window and file tree immediately, so you can start editing without installing desktop software. It speeds up setup and reduces local config friction. Once the workspace loads, pick the correct runtime or interpreter. This ensures linting and debugging match your project. Install essential extensions into the cloud workspace so features run server-side. Make sure they are enabled. Open the integrated terminal and run build or test commands to validate the environment. If you need isolated dependencies, start a dev container or configure remote settings. Also, expose and forward ports for web apps and use LiveShare to collaborate with teammates in real time. You finalize by committing changes and pushing to your remote repository, create a pull request, and run continuous integration checks to verify code quality. Once green, deploy using your integrated pipeline or export the workspace to a local environment for any final build steps. If something breaks, first check the editor and terminal logs, then disable recent extensions to identify conflicts. Make sure network and permission settings are correct, and if needed, reload the window or restart the remote workspace to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.